Hello children, how are you all? Feeling relaxed? Exams are over. So now let's get back to our studies. So before the exams, we were doing the chapter Fun with MS Paint. In that, we have studied starting MS Paint, and we have studied what all tabs are there in MS Paint window, what is Quick Access toolbar, and everything. Now today we will study how to use different tools present in MS Paint. So let's start. You all must have seen there are so many tools like pencil tool, text tool, eraser. Now how to use these tools? So let us see how we can use. So children, this is the MS Paint window and you all can see different tools there on the home tab. This is the pencil tool. You can use, select it and draw anything. And this is the eraser. If you want to erase something, you can erase it with the help of eraser. This is the text tool. With the help of this, you can type anything which you want to type in this. Okay. Now, this is the brushes. I have already told you different size of brushes which you can use to work with, and these are the different shapes which are present, and you can use this shape to draw directly. You don't have to select the pencil and draw a star with the help of a pencil. You just go to this, select this, put your cursor over here and just drag it. You will be able to draw the star. If you want to draw a curved line, just select curve, put your cursor over here and just drag it and then leave it. You will be able to draw a curved line. Like this, you can draw different shapes and you can change the size of these tools also with this size option. So after knowing how to work with the different tool, there's one tool, select. What is the work of select? If suppose we want to work on some picture, हमने एक picture paste की, now we want to do some changes on that. So in order to change that picture or do some changes on that picture, we have to select it. And after selecting, we can change the size or skew it or flip it or even move it from one place to another place. So we'll now see how we can select an image. Okay children, suppose this is the picture of a bag and I want to work on it. I want to place this picture in the middle of the screen, but it is here in the corner. How I can move it? I cannot move it just like this. First, I have to select this image. What I have to do? Go in the select option, choose this rectangular selection, click here and then keep your cursor over here and just drag it diagonally. तिरछा खींचिए and then select. जब ये rectangular dotted box बन जाए आपका पिक्चर के पास, that means this picture is selected. अब आप इसके साथ जो भी करना चाहेंगे वो आप इस पे कर सकेंगे. Now I want to move it in the middle. मैं यहाँ पे इसका कर्सर, अपने माउस का कर्सर रखूंगी, माउस प्रेस करूंगी and I will move my mouse to the desired place. मुझे यहाँ रखना है, मैंने यहाँ इसको लाया and then now I will leave the mouse. See, I have moved the image of the bag from the corner in the middle. Okay, so most important thing is selection of the image. You have to put your cursor here and you have to move it diagonally, tircha. Then you will be able to select the image. Now suppose I want to change the size of the image. Okay, I want to change the size of the image. That is known as resize and skew. Resize and skew both changes the size of the image, but there is difference Like resize, change the size of the image by making it bigger or smaller. And skew, change the size horizontally or vertically. Resize क्या करता है, उसको छोटा बड़ा करता है, and skew उसकी size change करता है horizontally and vertically. But both are used to change the size of the image. Resizing an image, same thing. आपको home tab पे जाना है, then you have to select, drag, and then go on resize option, and then do the changes in the ratios. Same way in the skew also, home tab, select, and select the image, then on resize and amount of skew and click. Both thing important is selection of the image. So let us see how we can change the size of the image. So children, this is the image on which we want to work. We want to change the size. First thing, go and select option, rectangular selection. Now put your mouse cursor over here and move it diagonally. Now this dotted box means your image is selected. Now again go to this box. Here you can see resize. Click on that, a dialog box will open. Now change the percentage. Change the percentage. Now go to the pixel and you can change the pixel also. Okay, after that select OK. See, the image is so small now, isn't it? It's become so small. Same way again, go if you want to skew it. How you can skew it? Select, drag it, go to resize. Now skew. How much you want to change? Okay, horizontally. See, horizontally ये थोड़ा तिरछा हो गया. Again, vertically. So, you can see the change in the images. This is how we can change the size of the images. Select it, then go to resize option and you can change the size of the image from there. So children, you have seen that we have changed the size of the image horizontally as well as vertically, and by changing the size by making it bigger or smaller. Main thing in all these cases, when we were moving the image and when we are changing the size, first thing that we have to select. It is very important. If you will not select the image, you won't be able to work on it. Okay, so selection, go to select, press on rectangular selection and then drag the mouse diagonally. तिरछा drag करना होता है. I hope this much is clear to you all and everything is clear. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.